by was a bird in a blue sky. I didn't want to leave my love behind. What can I say? Every day she's on my mind. And somewhere in the loneliness I'll find. Ooh, my sweet bird. It's always cloudy when the sun is far away, and I'm still here longing for the day just to be in her loving arms again. Well, it's an endless sky that never sees a day, and my heart is breaking 'cause she's so far away. And I look up at the moon and I call her name. Oh, Sheila, can it ever be the same? Ooh, my sweet bird. Well, God knows how I feel and I need her love, but I'm so down I cannot rise above, and I need to be in her loving arms again. Well, above me every day is a distant sky. Oh, how I wish that bird would drift on by, carry me away from this emptiness. But the bird in a blue sky is featherless. Ooh, my sweet bird. I wonder if I'll ever see her face or hold her hand in that old familiar place. Will our lips again feel the warmth of an embrace? I just want to be in her loving arms again. Ooh, my sweet bird. Ooh, my sweet bird.